My name is Sofia Lynggaard Normann. I'm the third generation of the jewellery brand OLE LYNGGAARD COPENHAGEN. It was a natural process for me joining the company because I have been admiring both my grandfather and my mom in their work. I love the organic shapes that's being formed by the power of the sea, the beautiful colors, the pearls that's like a fairy tale. What I really have been thinking about in my process of creating this collection is when I go diving, I feel present and so much in the moment. I hope people will wear my jewellery and feel like they go into this fairy tale where they can tell stories and look at details in a whole different way. Craftsmanship is very important to me and also all the talented goldsmiths within the house. I love that we share that passion. It's a big honor for me to go into the footsteps of my mom and my grandfather and to continue the values and the passion within this house.